So I was honored to get the Sheldon Kennedy Award, and it's impacted me a lot because I've been comfortable enough to continue my studies. And
as a student, I have struggled financially, especially with the economy right now. It's really helped me focus more on my studies and less on trying to work.
I want to thank my donors so much for their willingness to help me in my learning career.
Being able to have the opportunity to play sports for the school as well as doing academics is huge, especially with the big family that I have and with the socioeconomical situation that I'm dealing with.
Your awards are allowing me to continue my dreams so that I can go back to my Indigenous community and promote health and wellness.
It really helps me out knowing that someone's got my back.
Receiving this award has helped me focus on my studies more than focusing on working.
It's helped me so much because I don't have to worry about loans and I can support my family, but also I can achieve my dreams that I want to be a doctor someday.
I really appreciate the help that way.